A conic is a figure formed by the intersection of a cone and a plane. The Conic tool in SolidWorks lets you define a conic curve in a 2D sketch based on endpoints and a row value. Just launch the Sketch tool from the Tools, Sketch Entities dropdown, and then there are 4 clicks required to create the conic curve. The first endpoint, the second endpoint, then the third click defines the top vertex, and the fourth click sets the row value of the curve. Again, the clicks are endpoint, endpoint, vertex, and row. You can also set these values manually in the Property Manager. Conic curves can reference existing sketch or model geometry, or they can be standalone entities. The most common use of a conic is used to blend 2 other curves together. There are a few ways to define the sketch, but in my opinion, one of the easiest and most useful ways to define the conic is to attach both endpoints to other curves. Then add tangent relations to both the endpoints. And the dimension to define the row value. Making the vertex tangent to both inference lines of the 2 curves is a good practice as well. But again, it depends on the curve that you're trying to create. I'd like to go into the row value a bit more. Row is a number between 0 and 1 that describes the relative angle of the plane intersecting the cone and a conic. High rows make the conic sharp, while low rows make the conic round. Conics are always planar and simulate the look of a C2 or G2 blend, or in other words, a curvature continuous blend. And since it's second order mathematically, there won't be any inflection points.